Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7 guys, and if your interior lights inside your cabin do not work guys, we'll show you how to fix that and which fuse you need to check. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if that video helped you fix your problem. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is a 2010 model, but it's the same for the whole generation guys. Okay, and let me show you now. I open the doors and these lights guys do not work. Okay, no matter what I do, they don't work. So now what do we need to check guys? Right here next to your steering wheel we have one fuse box guys. You open that cover and on the bottom now of that fuse box guys, the second fuse from left to right, not counting the empty one. 1, 2, so this fuse right here guys, this is the fuse for your cabin lights. Now we'll replace it with a new one, and you can find where we get our replacement fuses. The link will be in the description of the video below guys. Amazing deal on a whole bunch of fuses. We pull it out, okay, we grab a new fuse now, we install it, okay, super quick. We go ahead, close it, and now you can see our light started working immediately guys, so that definitely took care of our problem. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please hit that. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.